Yun know, dito na kami sa may Sakura. Tapos dito kami nag accommodation, 1,000 lang per head. What? 1,000 lang per head. Yan yung mga motor namin. Yan. Puro mga manual. Ano to? High's Place, Atok Benguet. Kita pa. Ayan. Ganda dito oh. Mas maganda siguro sa bukas. Lamig dito.
Sana all.
Ayan oh. 1,000 lang per head. Pwede na. Dalawa kami sa kwarto. 2,000 lang.
Nine.
Meron pa yata dun sa baba. Tignan mo. Tignan natin. Ayun oh. Oo nga. Ayun oh. Ganda. Maraming mga transit house dito. Okay, hanggang dito na lang yung ano namin. Yung aming adventure. Ako actually ang may pakana nito eh. Sabi ko hindi pa ako nakakadaan ng ng Besang Pass. So yun. Dumaan kami ng Besang Pass. Ilocos muna, Besang Pass, Ahon. Tapos Atok Benguet. Tapos Halsema. So dito na kami ngayon sa Atok. Ang Baguio malapit na dito. Doon na kami bababa bukas. Ayun, hanggang sa muli, babush. Okay, nandito na kami oh. Ano? Ano to? Sakura Heights Place, Atok Benguet. Sama natin si Batang, si June, hello sir, tsaka si Mark.
Sa part na to, kami dalawa pa lang ni Alex ang magkasama dahil yung tatlong kasama namin is walang sena. Pero soon magkakaroon din sila para dikit-dikit na kami sa susunod na ride.
Relics of kingdoms past and crowns of ancient kings. I've heard stories of distant lands, realms I long to reach.
Buti pa dito, foggy pa rin maski 4 PM na. Masarap pa rin mag-ride dito kasi malamig. Dito lang yan sa may Halsema Highway.
Unexplored, to leave behind my home and wander.
Sa part na to, papunta na kami ng transient house, yung sa may Sakura at saka Heights Place. Konting ingat lang dahil meron ditong mga one way.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm
Tandaan nyo lang yung place, Sakura at saka Heights Place. Panalo dito.
late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done.
Touchdown na po tayo dito sa may Heights Place na kung saan po tayo tumira ng isang gabi.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in a better day. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in a better day.
Kudos kay ate, sinalubong kami agad para sa aming mga tanong with regards sa accommodation, pagkain, etc.
Alak. Alak, meron. Okay, sige. Ano pa? Babae. Bakla lang po. Oh, bakla lang daw. Pwede na yun.
Ayun, hanggang sa muli, babush!
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone